Shall we give this a go? So these are GAT inks with they're lubed and filmed with GMK Botanical, and then we have a palm plate. We're using the copper weight with the stainless steel badge on the bottom with the copper on the top, and this is the green finished. This cable was sent to me by Voxel. I'm not too sure if he makes these like with this particular thing, but I get all my cables from the majority are space cables, and then me and Voxel have been pretty chill lately too. So guys, here it is. We'll do a little sound test for you. Let me open up a notepad. Ooh, I think these have been spring swapped. I'm not too sure. All right, here we go. So here, without further ado, guys, we're doing the sunsetter today. So we're gonna be putting some GAT inks inside, as well as botanicals. This is my first time using botanical. Also, dude, this was a nice little touch. I like this little bag thingy here. Let me do this. This is kind of nice, huh? All right, let's see what's inside. So there's a lot of stuff in here, by the way, so I'll let you guys kind of like pick and choose what we're using today. So we got some stabs and some other pour-on stuff here, or some gaskets. Okay, we'll put this to the side. We have, I think, plates here. Let's double check. So the one thing I will say is there are so many like accessories you can do with this.
Dude, that's a lot of good
crazy.
subs.
So we've seen the sunset at PCB, by the way, but it looks like we have a palm, maybe? Could be palm plate maybe. So we got some different color back pieces here, so I'll let you guys choose between this. But look at this, dude. Look at this one here. So I think this is already pre-patinaed, but like, come on, dude, that's hot. That's hot, dude. Look at that. Oh my god. Can we all agree that we're going to be using this one? Can we agree that we're using this? Can we just... We'll zoom in a little bit. Can we just agree now? I think this is the one we're using. That's fucking cool. And then we have a bunch of different colors for the sun part over here. The sunning... oh! Look, there's another patinaed one. Well, it's hard to see in this bag. But I low-key think what would be cool... Well, that's nice, dude. That's cool. Here's what oh god, my voice. You guys can definitely tell my voice is not 100% today. What else do we got? We got a silver. We got a purple. Okay, I think the green would be kind of cool for today. I think the green mixed in with things, but I'll let you guys vote when we get to that point. So this will be a bit more of an interactive stream too. Alright. Alright, guys. Oh, the paper's giving me big suspense. Sorry if this is like really loud. Oh. This is a nice green. You guys taking a look at that? Oh. That's a nice green, dude. Greenest flavor of the month.
Thank you, dude.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm big into greens right now myself. So this is nice. So anode looks good as per the norm. Just maybe a little streak in the middle here. Not a huge deal for the inside. Let's take a look at the outside here. Oh my god. Dang, dude, thank you so much for your prime. I really appreciate that. Wow, thank you guys. Yeah, the end looks good. Keep in mind this is a prototype, so if there's some abnormalities on this, Thank you, dude, for the 49 bits too. Damn, dude. But yeah, this looks really pretty. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be a pretty build. So here's the game plan, I think. Here's the game plan. Are we doing copper back? Oh wait, where's the accents for this? Was this somewhere too? Oh, that was in the bag. Are we doing copper for the weight? And then are we doing the green accent? Or do we want to like really take a look and mix and match? And then maybe we can do a copper piece over here. Copper booty? Okay. That sounds good. That sounds like a plan. So we'll do that then. If copper's an option, it's copper. We'll live by. Coach, that's pretty funny, dude. Yeah, I feel you. There's some things where I'm like, yeah, that's a must. That's definitely a must. Oh, man. So we built a Sunset around 1 before, and I really like that board. We built it with tactile switches, like a louder tactile. So it'd be kind of interesting to see what this is going to sound like with this. So we're going to put our feet on first. So the other thing too, a lot of people ask me about like building and how to assemble things, and like in any case of shipping, the pins could bend. So the best thing to do is to just take tweezers. Don't use your fingers because you'll end up hurting yourselves, and just bend them back straight. Make sure that the housing's all good, and then just put them in. Always make sure you're checking your pins before you're putting anything into. That's going to save you a lot of building headache. What are some solid soldering iron kits for beginners? The TS100. Dude, the TS100 is such a good little soldering kit. It heats up quick. It has like a mode too where you put it down and it just it turns down the temperature, so in case you forget. It's small. So there is your guys' choice of copper and stainless steel. Oh, that's kind of hot. That's kind of neat looking. Okay, let's screw it in. So here it is. Here is the final build for it, the final construction. Sunset around 2. Now again, this is a proto, so there's like a little line. I don't know if you guys can notice it. Yeah, right there. There's a little line on the anode there, and there's a nick over here. I'm not too sure why that is, but it is a proto. The actual anode itself looks great. The green looks amazing. There's the USB-C if you guys wanted to see that. Let it focus. Sits pretty nice, pretty flush. So this is not recessed in though. So keep that in mind. I know some people like recessed USB ports. The desert base would look really nice for this too. And again, there's the weight. This is the copper. It's patinaed as well with looks like a stainless steel weight. But yeah, very pretty. This is the side profile if you guys wanted to see. That's how the side of this keyboard looks like. Pretty nice. All right. Let's plug it in. So that's how the USB-C port's going to sit, in case anyone was wondering. Now, for me, this is not an issue. I don't really, like aesthetically, this doesn't really matter to me. But I know some people really don't like that. So again, that's up to you. You know, I think most of the keyboards these days, like, this is slightly recessed on the top, or on the bottom rather, but the top covers it because it extrudes outwards. Really depends on what your style is. But so this is the one I feel like we need to lube a little bit more. That's okay. I'll do another sound test with the mic directly on top. Is the rumors true I type nothing? Hold on, I'll show you guys what I type. I'll show you guys what I type. You guys think rumors are true that I type nothing? That's a lie, dude. Hold on, let me show you guys what I type over and over again. I'll show you guys what I type. Boom, dude. Rumors are false, dude. I type nonsense. Wait, how do I extend this out again? Look at that, dude. See that shit? You guys seen that? That's what I type, dude. All right? I can't think of a damn thing to type. See that shit? That's nice, right? I've been transparent about this since day one, dude. That's what I type, dude. What about monkey type? I type like 40 words per minute though, chat. There's no consistency with how I type. All right, there's absolutely none. And then everyone would be pissed off about how I do that. It happened in my first original stream, so I've never done it again. Try one? Oh my god. You guys want me to try a monkey type? Wait a sec, let me get there. I'll try one, and you guys are gonna be, wait, is monkey type down? Site can't be reached. Oh, it's different now. They changed the URL. One sec, guys. Let me change the window capture to, oh boy, this one? No. One sec, guys. Where is monkey type? Here we go. Alright, guys. I will show you guys my crappy typing. Alright, guys. Let's try this. $72. Not bad, dude. Bam. This has FFFFF switches inside. The new. And this one here has inks. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this stream today. This was a really, really pretty build today. I'm really glad we got to do this. I think this turned out fuck what you want, give us what we need. Yeah, seriously, dude. I think this is a really fun build today. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Is it Pink New going to be a personal build? Nope, this is for someone. I'm doing that for a friend. But I hope you guys enjoyed today. Thanks for the stream. Dude, thank you guys so much for being here, dude.